It's a beautiful Sunday morning out here in Kansas City. I'm about to go for a run, but before I do that, I'm gonna make a little mud water. How about you guys come with me? Yeah, let's do it. I've read the instructions. I know I'm doing this wrong. You're not supposed to fill it up this high. But I like danger. I like pushing limits. I like seeing what I'm capable of. Did it. It's good. We're back from the run. For some reason, I decided to do that fasted, which turned out pretty good. Normally, I don't do that. Fun fact, I've never been a fan of long distance running until somewhat recently because I changed how I do it. Instead of trying to beat my last time, I decided I'm just going to keep my heart rate at about 150 and cruise at that for however long I want. That's totally shifted my enjoyment and my mindset around running. Highly recommend. If you're kind of doing the same thing I've done, just trying to beat yourself, dude, chill out. Chill out. Oh man. Okay, back to mud water. Okay, it's time to talk. What's in the box? And that's how you take mud water, one sniff at a time. Don't do that. Okay, first up, you want to order this kit out of the gate. You want to set yourself up on the recurring plan. Don't worry, you're not handcuffed. You can postpone shipments. You can cancel your shipments altogether if you hate mud water. But get this because that's how you get the discount, and that's how you get some special things that we're going to talk about. What's in here? First up, the can of mud water. It's a ASMR. Metal can full of mud water. 30-day supply in this can. Then, you got some stickers. What else is in here? You have this booklet. When I received this box, I took this booklet, I went to my local park, I sat down in the grass, and I read the whole thing from cover to cover. This was awesome. It talks about recipes, it talks about rituals, such as things like meditation and sleeping and breath work. It talks about their company culture. Companies, let's talk. Don't underestimate the value of educating your customer. Entertainment only goes so far. Entertainment has value, but if you really want a deep relationship with your customer, you have to educate them. Mudwater killed it with this. I loved this. Well done. And next up, something that makes the whole thing worth it, even if you hated everything that I've talked about so far, including mud water. It is this frother. This thing is super rad. So it comes in that little box. Let me put it together. closes like that. This thing is hefty. This thing feels like 30 bucks alone. Let's get to numbers. Enter Paul Stamets. Paul Stamets is the mushroom OG. Paul Stamets wears a mushroom hat. Paul has a well-regarded line of mushroom supplements named Host Defense. He wears a mushroom hat. Okay, a little life advice. Trust anyone who wears a hat made out of their subject of expertise, except for doctors. It takes 2 cups of mud water to hit 1 serving of any of the mushrooms via Host Defense, Paul's brand. 2 cups of mud water a day over the course of a month, that's 2 cans, that's $80. Sounds expensive, hold on. A 1-month supply of all of the mushrooms in mud water, lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, chaga, via Host Defense is gonna total $115.80 versus $80. But we're not done, because mud water is also a coffee replacement, so we gotta factor that in. Let's use Onyx Coffee, because I know you all have refined tastes. Using their Southern Weather blend and their numbers, totals 51 cents per cup, 2 a day, we're at about $30.60 over the course of a month. For the grand total of $146.40 for your mushies and coffee, versus $80 a month for mud water. Sounds like a damn steal at this point, $80, huh? Let's talk real quick about the product itself. How's it taste? Well, it tastes like kind of a chocolatey chai, but more natural. Does it make me feel like Bradley Cooper in Limitless? Yeah. I'm a fan. I will try to find a discount code and drop it in below. Use that. Have you tried it? Are you gonna try it? Let me know your thoughts. Let's talk about it. Thank you all for watching. You know I appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.